Start off using the rake to move the concrete around in the square just to kind of get it even and somewhat level with the top. Then you can use the back side of the rake and kind of vibrate the concrete just like this to make it smoother on the top instead of so rough. This is what will get it ready for the next step, which is where you'll use the straight board to level it off. Once you've got it kind of level and smooth, you can just take the board and you take this board and you just move it back and forth, just kind of a quick back and forth motion as you drag it across the top of the forms. And the forms being level will allow the concrete to be leveled off as you pull the board across it, and just continue to move that back and forth motion as you do it, and just pull the concrete, and any excess concrete will go off into the next square. And then just keep doing that and just go back over it a couple times and then start troweling. You take the trowel and just slowly move the trowel across the concrete, just as light a touch as you can manage. You'll see some little ridges, and that's okay because you can go back over those in just a few minutes as the concrete dries just a little bit. But just trowel it off and keep kind of knocking off that surface water, and the concrete will get smooth. Once it's hardened up a little bit, use the edger to create a nice round edge on the edge of each square all the way around, just to give it a nice defined look.